Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hopefully everybody will be fine. And today I am with your new lesson about Microsoft Windows, especially for the grade 4 students. Today we will discuss about some of the features of the Microsoft Window. Let's start our lesson. So go to our. First of all, I want to tell you about what is Windows, especially. So Windows is basically an operating system, which is a bridge between the computer hardware and the software. So I will discuss it in detail, but first of all we will see about what topic we have to discuss today. So today we have to discuss about Microsoft Windows. What is Microsoft Windows? What are its features? Some of the features we will discuss here in this lesson, and some we will discuss later in the later classes. So how the window works, what are there are so many features. The window is very extraordinary, magically it's working. It's very enhanced version of this one. Today we will discuss about it. What are the folders, using start buttons, view of the computer, how you can see your files, how you can switch between two. If you have more than one window you have open, how you will switch on that windows, and some more topics about select files, how to create and delete the file or folders, and how to restore your deleted files, and how you create the shortcut. These are the something in our topic which we have to discuss today. So let's start our first of all, I will tell you about what is Microsoft Windows. You know, in the early ages there is a DOS version, disk operating system, which is the completely command based operating system. So we have to learn and remember all the commands which we have to be executed into the with the computer. But later on, with the passage of time, Microsoft Corporation, they have introduced the user-friendly environment, the Windows. There are so many versions: Windows 98, Windows 97, 98, 2000, 2000. After that, later, so many versions. So still right now, Windows 2010 we are working 30. So there are so many versions are available. So today we are working on the Windows 10. So this is here, mostly it is very popular on the system. Every computer system needs operating system to work. So operating system is basically the communicator between the hardware and the software. So Microsoft Windows is operating system for the personal computers. So same like this, there are Apple computers, they are using different operating system, they have different hardware, because they are branded systems. So it needs all the things from the same company. So it controls overall activity of the computers, and it will check all the devices are attached properly and it's working smoothly. This is the function of the Microsoft Windows. Windows is basically a bridge. I told you, I will show you one diagram here which will explain you more about it. It ensures that all parts attached with the system work smoothly and efficiently. Immediately, you can see here when you start the computer, there are different lights booming up with the Windows in your computer system. So it means they are checking all the hardware whether it's working properly or not. So if not properly function any of the device, it will give you a immediate message on the screen that this hardware is not working function properly, so you can take action. So what major function they're performing? It's performing controlling the hardware, all hardware attached properly. It controls all the things. We will send the messages, we will send the commands to the operating system, and then it will be executed by them. It runs all the programs, application program which you have installed, and organized all information, files, folders, system tools, everything. It will be organized. It's a function of the major function of the MS Windows. Look here, I have shown you this diagram here how operating system or window is working. In the operating system, you can see here in the window operating system, it can control all the devices, peripheral devices which are attached with the system, and it controls all the activities of the computers: mouse, printer, monitor, application software, hardware, keyboard, so cameras, anything, scanners. So it will be controlled by the operating system. Another example, if I give you with the diagram, so you can easily understand. Look here, there is an operating system, and there is in the top there is a user who is using the application softwares, communicating through the operating system with the hardware. If we take a reverse from here, first we have to purchase the hardware, then we have to install the operating system. It depends on what kind of device you have purchased. We're talking about Windows. We install the Windows here. After the Windows, we can install different application software like MS Office, any game, MS Paint, any entertainment softwares, music softwares, Internet Explorer. They're different, so many thousands of thousands of examples of the application software that you can use. And here are the user who is using all these kinds of application through the operating system. Let's start come to our practical work here. I will start. The first thing for you is how you have to practically start with the your things using the start button. So I can show you here. There are two lists of programs are here. This is I'm talking about the Windows 10 here. Okay, so you can see here the all application. There is a start window button here. If you are using the Windows 8 or Windows 7, that has a different desktop window. So but the function is the same, but here is a different. That's why I'm using this view. I will show you also. I will take you. Look here. This is I'm using the window here. Okay, this is the start button. This is called this area is called. This is called desktop. This is the desktop of the computer, which are showing you some shortcuts here, and maybe you have some different, but what kind of shortcuts I am making, it will come to the desktop of the computer, that you can immediately have the access to that specific program. So first of all, we will see about using the start button. This is your Windows start button. When you click on that, this view will be open on your screen. So when this view is open on your screen, there is all app, power, setting, file explorer, and there are some of the list of some program which you have already installed here. And here are the some of the other shortcut links are available here, which you can use it online, because this is a complete online system. So but we are working here all application. Look here, we will click on the all application, then the application software which you have installed on the system, they will be displayed on this alphabetic orders. They will be available over here. You can open any kind of application. You can go from here. This is the one way. There are and there is another way. There is a search window available here. For example, I want to open the MS Word, so I will just write on that Word. So you can see here the Word software will be available here on the top. I will click on that. This application will be open in front of you. Same like this, any kind of software you want to search, it will be, you can write on the search bar and then it will be available. If it is available, then you can open it. Secondly, we have use the Window Explorer sign. So there is, if you write the Explorer here, Window Explorer, so you can find it here, File Explorer option. In the different window, it's showing with the Window Explorer. Okay, here is also file expression. When you click on that icon, so there are file desktop. You can see here download, documents, pictures, all the folder which you are working with. That this will be displayed on your screen. And here on the taskbar on the right hand side, you can see here timer, then all the icons, internet icons, then you can see here the battery, the volume. So all this you can see on the right side. Here on the middle of that you can see some icons here. When you click on this icon, this is the Explorer icon. When you can open this one, this screen view of the computer, this PC in different windows. Some windows using here, you can see here it is written my computer, but in window this window 10 it is using here this PC. Okay, this PC will display you all the hard drive, C, D, different hard drive with how many disk drives are available on the screen. It will show you over here. Even you have attached for example your USB or something other drive on the screen. This is an additional drive I have attached with this one, so it will be shown on the screen over here. Any kind of downloading you are doing, it will be from the internet. It will be by default it will come in the download folder. In the document you can use the document folder to store your files. Any other folder which you have, make that it will be displayed on the left corner over here, the list of the drive. Here you can see also, you can click on C, D, which drive you want to open or to display, that what are inside that drive. You click on that, it will be shown here on the your right corner area here. So here is a file. Open new window, open command prompt, DOS prompt also you can open it and use it. So home, share, view, how you can want to view small icons, big list, large icon, medium, detail, all these kinds of options are available. You just click on that, keep the cursor over there and it will be shown on that. So this is a simple the window is basically very user friendly environment. Then you can use it and you can do your actions what you want. So now next action which I tell you about that in our I will tell you how to create your folder. Look here, if we have to see on the screen here, I will take to you. How to create the folder, how to delete the folder, move a file to a folder, select file or folder, difference between copy and moving the file or folder, and delete file or folder or restore that file where it goes, and then you can do it. So let's start. First of all, we will see how to create a new folder. I will select here the document file, and here if I click on the new, right click on that, that you can see here the menu will be open. Go to the new, click on that, new folder will be open. I will make a new name for here, for my work. So this is the new folder is created. If I double click on that, I will go inside that folder. So here I will create also one Word file and I will store on that. I will open the Word. Then I have here create a new file with the name here save. Go to the computer. I have created in the document. You can see here the folder my work available. I click on my work. Here is a file name, save as a type. So I will write the name here, my first assignment 1. Then I save the file here. You can see here are different extensions are available in which format you want to make the save the file. If you want to make the PDF file, you can also create the PDF file from here, but I want to fill the file 97/2003 document format, that it will be open in any format in any of the Word Office environment. I have saved the file. The name of the file will be displayed on the screen on the top title bar. Okay, then after that you can see here a title bar is available. What are name of the file I have given over here, assignment number 1. So then I close the file. If I go to the my work folder, that file is available, assignment number 1. Okay, now this is, I have created one folder, and then I have created one file, and a file will be saved in this folder. Now I want to create another folder here on the same location. I again go to the right click on that, new folder. I will write here my last work, new folder with the last work. There are 2 folders now. Then one is the if you can make it view the larger of these icons, you can also make it larger. Look here, my work here, it will show you that one file is available here, and here no file available. Okay, so I have created one folder here and one folder here with the name. Now I want to create one file outside over here. I can make it copy. Look here, select the file, right click on that, copy, select copy, or click on file, Control C, press the Control C button, the file will be copied. Now click on the area outside over here and Control V, or right click on that, and here is a paste option. You will be able to paste the same copy of that file is available outside our area. So I can rename on this file by clicking on rename option. So I will write it here, assignment number 2. So this file is renamed. That file is available also here and also outside the folder. So here we have, I am again repeating, we have created one folder and one file. Now I will move that file to the other folder. This outside file, want to move it. Look here, click on that, keep pressing the button and look here, this is keep pressing button. You can make it any folder. I have put in this last one. So this file is moved inside this last. Look here, this icon also will be appear over here. This is called moving file. But what is copying file? Copying file means it will leave their last image on the same place but create the new copy. When you copy that file, Control C and Control V, look at the file image come here, as well as it will be available in the folder. But when I move from here that file to the other file, there is no image of that file is available. So this is the main difference between copying file and the moving file. So here one file available in that folder, and here are 2 files available in that folder. So this is the main difference. Now let's go to the how to delete the file, how to select the file. First of all, I tell you how file or folder. If you click on that, this file is selected or folder is selected. If you double click on that, here are 2 files. You take the cursor on any of the file and click on that, single click, the file will be selected. So now I will tell you how to delete the file. Select that file, right click on that, there is a delete option available. You will click on that file will be deleted. Oh, if you, for example, accidentally you have deleted that file, so you remember that, oh, I have accidentally deleted that file. What you will do, you can undo that file by pressing Control Z. Look, I press the Control Z button, the file is again available over there. This is called the restoring the file from the location. And this file, you can also see here, if I delete the file, that file is go to the recycle bin on the desktop. Look here, that file is available here. There are some other files I have deleted, they are also showing here. So keep remember one more thing, because recycle bin also have some kind of capacity. You can for example, you have I'm giving example, but you have a 10 GB of your space of the hard disk, maybe 1 GB of space is allotted to the recycle bin, that all the file less than that capacity, it will become inside the recycle. But if the file is more than 1 GB capacity, it will not come into that recycle bin, it will be deleted automatically, and it will not, you cannot restore it after that. So keep remember. So because this is very small file to 22 KB, so if I want to be, this will not be open from here. It will show you that this file is deleted and when it is created, and when it is deleted only this detail it can give it to you. So but here we can, if for example accidentally we have deleted the file, so where you go to the recycle bin, and from there which file you want to restore, you click on that. There is a restore, right click on that, restore option, and here also cut delete properties. So if you delete from here, then after that the file will be permanently deleted from the recycle bin and you cannot restore it. There are some softwares available, but this is the complicated thing that you have to be restore the file again. Now look at that, I have deleted the file from here. I can show you in that folder I don't have any file. Look here, I have two folders, my work, one file here, one file. Before there are two files, one file I have deleted, so that's why it will go here in the recycle bin. When I can right click on that, restore this file, look here, it go back to their original location from where I have deleted. Look at this, the file is assignment number 2, that is available also here. So my dear students, this is here we have how to delete the file and how to create the folder, how to create new file, how to save the file, and how to restore the file from the recycle bin. So hopefully you will be understanding here. If you have any query or question, so one more thing I will tell you, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, and press your bell button icon that you will receive any video I will be uploaded in future. It notification will come to you, and then you can have that video you will watch on that in near future. One more thing, now I want to be, if I want to find some kind of file from here, then I will go to that specific or this PC I want, but you must keep remember, for example assignment, I will write in the right corner here, search folder, ASSIG, and assignment number 1. So you can see here assignment number 1, the name of assignments, what you have written here, this is on this PC. It will be searching out all devices where are the assignment options are available. These all files will be displayed. This is called searching the file. So you can write on right corner over search option, then all the drives which are available here, it will be search it out, and then it will display on the screen here. So this is your searching file options. Let's wait, it will be completed. Then you can see here all the file with assignment, it will be displayed on your this window area. Okay, so now the last thing which we will discuss over here, if you can see here on your screen, add shortcut to the desktop. So adding shortcut is very simple. So if you want to open anything, for example I go to the same folder here which we are having here in document, here I want to create the shortcut from here. You right click on that, here is send to desktop, create shortcut, click on that. With the same name a shortcut will be created on the screen here. You can see here, this is assignment. You click on that and this file will be open from here, or the folder which you have already created you can open from there as well. So this is called shortcut. You can also delete from here, right click, delete, and I have deleted this file. So I think hopefully you will enjoy this lesson. So now this my last thing is I have to conclude what is Microsoft Windows, what are its features. Basically a Microsoft Window is a bridge between the hardware and the software, which can, you can say that, communicate, control over the overall activities of the computer and make sure that all the devices attached with the computer work properly or not. If it's not working properly, then it will give you the messages and pop-up menus that something is wrong with that you will be this window is basically very user-friendly environment, and you can just have a now it also have the given the help facility. If any non-user of that window who is only the knowledge of the computer, they can the persons, basically the people, will use it very easily by clicking on different types of things with different types of windows, different types of icons on that. One more thing I will tell you about the switching between windows. The switching between window, you can see here, alt, using the alt keep pressing alt tab button, alt tab. Look here, when you alt you will press, all the windows which you have already opened, multiple windows, it will show on the screen. So you can move it by using the tab, pressing the tab button. Look here, you press the tab button, so anything you want to open, you will select that one and leave tab button, and this will be open. If you go to the, this is called switching of the, look here, I can open the same things whatever I have required. So students, hopefully you enjoy this lecture and you have learned something. So wait for your next assignment. Also I am also requesting you all, click what you have to click the like button, subscribe the channel, that you can in future, and subscribe, and also press the bell button that you can receive the future video. So thank you, so nice of you, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.